Ma'am, today also we are going to do
Not showing marks, but ma'am, I have received my.
Vivan, you received your name, but you will able to see your marks by the end of the day today.
Ma'am, today
Once,
also we are going to revision.
no. And Tuisha, I have not received your yesterday CET form.
But
I have
ma'am, I
not
have
received. I have not received Ayansh. I have not received Tuisha. You can check your name in the list and please let me know when you are going to submit, because now your name will be marked in the late submission.
But ma'am, I remember that I have submitted.
Do one thing after the class, you check your name. If it is not there, please do it again.
Okay.
Okay. Now, please, we are going to.
But ma'am, I cannot do the CET again.
You will able to do. You just open it. If you have not submitted, it has not reached to me. You can able to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, as you know that we have already done our CET of the last chapter, fields and fences related with the area and perimeter.
Yes.
Now, now we are coming step ahead with the chapter number, last chapter of our textbook, chapter number 14. That is, what is the name of the chapter? Chapter number 14.
Smart smart charts.
Okay, this is smart
Smart.
charts, not chart smarts. It is smart charts. Now,
Smart.
yeah, now raise your hand. What do you mean by the word? Why? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Why the name of this chapter is smart charts? Raise your hand. Yes, Dhruv Patel. Please tell me why the name of this
Ma'am,
chapter is smart chart.
ma'am, he will run that. Ma'am, in this chapter there is many sparks things like sparks phone, like that. Many things are there.
What? What? Dhruv, can you please repeat it?
Ma'am, I have tomorrow only read this full chapter. Ma'am, in this
It
there are
was not
smart TVs.
tomorrow. It was not tomorrow. It was yesterday.
Ma'am, by yesterday,
Yeah.
I have read the full chapter.
Hmm.
In that chapter, there is there is smartphone, smartphone TV, and many smart things.
Smart things. Okay. So, what do you understand by the word smart? Please raise your hand. I can see your hand. If you are not allowed to say your name, you are not allowed to unmute your mics without my permission. You please raise your virtual hand, which is there in your laptop. Yes, Arna Agarwal. What do you mean by the word smart?
Uh, Ma'am,
Hmm.
smart means
Ma'am,
intelligent. You can say.
Yeah, we can say intelligent also. And if someone is smart, can it is necessary that that will be intelligent also? Yes,
Ma'am,
Vivan.
you can be good looking.
Good looking. Okay. Yes, Vivan.
ma'am,
Vivan Patel.
I am not raise my hand.
Your hand is there.
ma'am, can I want to say?
Yes, Khevna.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday, when you were sending the like that, na, I was waiting. I was clicking the chat box. Then my accidentally click like I went out now, so I could not join again. I don't know why. I thought you blocked the link, but you in the beginning of the class only said that you have not blocked the link today.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, why can I not join? Then I like did it for like 45 um 11:45, but I could not join your class. So
Mm-hmm.
I could not know what happened, because then I thought like the class had ended. Then I did not
Mm-hmm.
write after that.
Okay. Okay. I thought you raised your hand just to speak what the topic we are discussing. It's okay. You're
Ma'am, can I
proper.
tell?
Yes, Nishika.
Someone who thinks fast.
Fast, smartly. Only thinking, smartness is related with thinking only.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
understand
It is
also.
related to understanding.
Also.
Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, we
It is related to our style.
Look also. Yes. Yes or no? It is related
Yes,
to our
ma'am.
look also.
TVs also. Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush. Can you want to share something regarding the today's chapter name, smart charts? Ayush? Okay. Ayush, you are there in the class? Okay, I will move towards to the next child. Jahan Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am. About smart.
Yes. Please
Yes,
turn on your camera.
smart's meaning could be someone who knows a lot of things. Ma'am,
Yes.
we have want to share.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, the topic name is smart charts because the smarts we can call the books also. And ma'am, in this chapter we will know about different types of charts like chapati chart, then graph chart like that.
Why they are called the smart?
Ma'am, because they help us to know and they make us smart and intelligent.
They make us also, and the way they have made, the way they are arranged, the charts, the way they are presentable, that is why the name of this chapter is smart charts. The way the charts are presented, if you see the different, you have learned, I think you have learned in grade 3 also, the word pictograph. The way the pictograph is presented, the way the pictures are there in that pictograph, that is easily understandable. That is why these charts are called smart charts, right? And the other word, maybe you have heard about this chapter, data handling. In the other class, in your previous class,
Ma'am. Yes.
maybe you have heard the name of the chapter is data handling. Yes.
Yes,
So what do you understand? Please write in the chat box. What do you understand by the data word? Please write in the chat box. What do you understand by the word data? I have not received any. Please write fast.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, actually, I know the meaning of data, but I cannot express it and write it in the chat.
Okay, then you read what the others are writing. You can fill something and it will be stored. Okay, 4G internet data. Oh my goodness, storage information, data, collection, good. Information, Jahan Agarwal, very good. Arya Razia, connection is the word which is wrong.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, write in the chat box. So that everyone will get characteristics, okay? Information, Khush Kapadia is writing. Twisha is writing material, okay? Collection. Collection of what, Karna? Collection of what? Lama, internet storage is also known as data, okay? And the internet storage, which is having the data, what data they are having? Data is what actually? Okay, now stop children. I'll tell you, data means the information. Data is what? What is data now? Information. So when you read this word data handling in some other chapters, like today in your chapter, it is smart chart. But in other books, you heard this name data handling.
Ma'am, in third, it was data handling.
Yes, ma'am. In
Yes.
third, that was this chapter.
Yes. So data handling smart chart is, mute your mics now. Data handling and smart chart is the same thing. Now, I will tell you what is data. Data is the information. Now, what is handling? Handling means arranging. You are not going to write anything. You just have to understand these terms. Arranging data is called data handling. अब अरेंज कैसे करें? Is called data handling. इसी इंफॉर्मेशन को अरेंज करना, सिस्टमैटिक वे में अरेंज करना, उसको कहते हैं डेटा हैंडलिंग. नाउ have you all understood what is data?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write in the chat box now the new meaning of which I told you to write. Information. Data is information. Lakshya Thakral, please log out and log in again. Prachi ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So, the meaning of data is information. Please pay attention in the class. Khevna, sit straight.
Ma'am,
I don't want the chapter when the chapter will over and you are not aware about these small terms. Now, no one will speak in between. Next. Now, you were asking what is data handling. So, I was explaining data handling means arranging the data in any different form. That is smart charts mein arrange karna. Usko hi data, we call it as data. We call it as data handling. We call it as data handling. That is why the name here, different name is used as smart chart. Now, I want to take some information from you all. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Migdal?
Ma'am, I had an internet problem, so I could not hear anything, and I left. So,
Right now,
what
can you
I-
able to hear me right now?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
But my dear, you were not at your place when your camera was on. Your mother was sitting there. You were not at your place.
Ma'am, my mother was trying to join the class. I had an internet problem. I could
Okay,
not do.
okay, wait. I will repeat. I was explaining about two different terms. See, right now in your grade 4 maths, the chapter is smart chart. But in your grade 3, you have learned the different word that is data handling. Concept is same. Everything we are going to learn same. But the words are data means the information and handling means arranging the data. You understood? Here also arranging the data
Yes,
with
ma'am.
different charts. Here also smart charts arranging the data with different charts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not understanding it properly, so could you just send me the recording in private?
Okay, you send me the mail. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will come. I am going to ask some information from you all. I want to collect some information. For example, yes, I will call the child name. That child will tell me something. You will tell Anya Mittal.
Yes.
Anya Mittal, here I am collecting the information about the different ice creams.
Okay.
Okay. Anya Mittal, which flavor of ice cream you like most?
Chocolate.
Which one? Anya Mittal, which ice cream you like the most?
Ma'am,
Whether vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, blackcurrant, any different flavors are available. Which ice cream you like?
chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. Next child is Arav Patel. Mute your mics, please. Man Rajodia, mute your mic. Arav Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
which ice cream you like?
I like vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla.
It's softy.
I am writing vanilla. Okay. Now next is Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Arna Agarwal, which flavor you like in the ice creams?
Ma'am, I like black forest ice cream.
Black Forest. Children, now you are aware that what I am asking, so be quick. check your name in the list in your today's chat people's column and tell me fast. Arya.
Yes, ma'am. Oreo biscuit.
Which
Ice
one?
cream. Oreo ice cream.
Oreo.
Ma'am, can I say?
No.
Ma'am,
Check your name in the next is Ashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Anushka, be ready. Then Anvi, be ready. Then Aryaman, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashvi.
Ma'am, can I?
Vanilla. Your name will come alphabetically. If your name has not come in this information, we will do next. Anvi, Anushka.
ma'am, Chocobar.
Anvi. Anvi. Aryaman.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So in place of Anvi, I will ask. No, I will ask Ayansh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me what I am asking.
Ma'am, I like. Ma'am, I like Black Forest.
Black Forest. Now, look, this is called because till now it is not arranged properly. Because if I say, tell me how many of children like Black Forest?
Ma'am, two.
Two.
Two. Will it be easy to find out or it is taking some time to find out?
Ma'am, time. Ma'am, it's little bit hard. Little bit time.
Make that be at your place.
2-3
like
seconds.
Yeah, it is taking some time to give the correct answer because it is not arranged properly. This is called raw data. Raw data means the data which is not arranged properly. Yeah. But it is available in the raw format. It is not arranged properly. Now we can arrange it into different smart charts, right? So that it can be easily understandable and it will take our less time to give the answers. Am I clear to you all? So the information which is not arranged properly is called the raw data. What it is called?
Raw
Data. Because till now, yes, because till now it is not arranged properly. It will take time to understand it. It will take time to read it. It will take time to come on the conclusion that how many people like Black Forest, how many like vanilla. So for that thing, we have come to the chapter, this smart charts. We have come to the topic to learn smart charts. Now, the same information, in smart charts, we will learn how to arrange the raw data in form of tabular. Tabular means table. How to arrange the raw data in tables. How to arrange the raw data in pictograph. That also step by step we will learn all these smart charts. So first today we will start how to arrange this raw data in table so that it can be easily understandable. Now, if I arrange that these are the name of the students, or now this information I will arrange in the table form. I am erasing, but when you have the raw data, with the help of raw data, only it is possible to make the smart chart. And then the first smart chart we are learning, that is the tabular formation, how to arrange that information into the table so that it can be easily understandable. For example, here the ice creams and the number of students. And I think the ice creams was vanilla, black forest,
Chocolate.
chocolate, because the information which was
Strawberry.
given to us,
There was
chocolate, strawberry,
Oreo.
okay, and Oreo. So, have you remembered according to the information which we have collected just now, how many students like vanilla?
Ma'am, 2 students.
So she writes number 2.
Okay.
How many students like black forest?
Ma'am,
2.
2. It
2.
was 2. Okay. How many students like chocolate?
Ma'am, one.
There was
One.
How many students like strawberry?
1.
How many students like Oreo?
One.
And there was chocobar also.
There was chocobar also. Okay. How many were there in the chocobar?
One. It was one.
Ma'am, chocobar.
Okay. Now, by looking at this table, will you be able to identify that which 2 ice creams are most popular?
Yes, ma'am.
So by arranging the information in table form, our work become easy.
Yes.
Understanding the information become easy.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Understanding. Yes.
after the number, we have to write the names also of the students, which 2 students.
You can write. It depends on you, how you want to make your table. Okay.
Ma'am, in pictograph we make smileys and like that also we mark
I will
them.
come on the pictograph also.
Ma'am, in pictograph, we put pictures.
Yeah, I will explain you. I will come on the pictograph. Till now, you have understood how to arrange the raw data in the table form. And when we arrange in the table form, it is easy to understand.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I will show you one video on the base of the same which we have learned till now. And then we proceed to the next.
Ma'am, we do all these things in the graph book only, na?
I will let you know when to bring the graph.
Bar graph.
No, only bar.
Ma'am, and there is bar graph also.
Mummy, I will share.
My dear, please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. And listen it properly.
Video, we will learn about the collection and arrangement of data with the help of examples. Sister.
Oh, what happened today? You all came together?
There is a fair in the neighboring village. Will you take us there?
Definitely. If you promise me
Ma'am, can you do volume?
Yeah.
Promise, sister.
that you all will hold each other's hand
Pass.
so that nobody gets lost.
Yes, sister. We will.
Ma'am, we can't hear. Ma'am, it's cold.
Prachi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice, the video voice was not coming.
Ma'am, it was coming, but in a while. It's taking time.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to switch off your mic that time.
I will switch off, but my presentation mic will be on. So you please pay attention there and mute your mics.
Ma'am can't hear.
Yes,
Ma'am, we can't hear.
ma'am, your presentation mic is off.
Yes.
Ma'am, your presentation. Hold your mic, voice is coming, and if you off your mic, it's coming.
Just a minute. Wait a minute.
Sister.
Now it's coming.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's coming.
In this video, we will learn about the collection and arrangement of data with the help of examples. Sister.
Oh, what happened today? You all came together?
There is a fair in the neighboring village. Will you take us there?
Definitely, if you promise me one thing.
What promise, sister?
That you all will hold each other's hand so that nobody gets lost.
Yes, sister. We will not leave each other's hand.
Okay, so let's get ready to go to the fair. But before going there, I'll ask some questions. Answer me by raising your hands.
Okay, sister.
So first of all, let's find out the choice of your swings and games so that it makes easy for us to buy tickets tomorrow. So tell me, who wants to take a ride on the giant wheel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
Sister, I get scared.
It's okay, you can enjoy other rides. Now tell me who wants to take ride on roundabout? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wow!
I feel dizziness on it.
It's okay, you can enjoy some other games. Now tell me who wants to play Pop the Balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Oh wow, everyone would like to play this game.
Yes, sister. One gets prize on winning this game.
Now tell me who wants to play and win with Throw the Rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and
Now, children, tell me what she is doing.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Doing
This is-
data handling.
No, please write in the chat box. It will be good. I have not heard anyone's answer. Yes, Freya, collecting data. She is collecting data. She is collecting information. She is making tape. What you have written, Neha? She is making a tape.
Ma'am,
Right.
table chart.
Write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I am written table erotic chart.
She is making table, but in table, what she is collecting?
Ma'am, she is collecting the.
Rehan, did I give you a chance to speak with the microphone on? Please write in the chat box. She is collecting the information and she is arranging it into the table form. Understood? I'm going to play it again now.
8.
Sis, what have you made?
I have prepared a list of table according to your wishes. This will help me to know how many tickets I have to buy for each game. Can you tell how many total tickets we have to buy?
35.
Can you tell which game needs the most number of tickets?
Pop the balloon.
Right. Now tell me for how many games I have to buy more than 8 tickets.
2.
2.
Absolutely correct. So, did you see when I collected the data and arranged it into a tabular form, how easily you have given answers to my questions?
Yes, sister. Sister, let's discuss one more example.
So now you understood when we arrange the data, when we arrange the information in the tabular form, our work will become easy and we can give the answers of many questions. Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now today we have done how to arrange the data, how to arrange the raw data, the raw information into the tabular form. Next, tomorrow we will learn how to arrange the information into pictograph in the picture form. So first today, now we are going to do the quiz based on the last topic, area and perimeter. I'm going to give you a link in the chat box. Please log in. I will start very soon within 1 minute.
In the quiz, somebody named himself Bad Boy.
Yes, ma'am. I was telling that only.
Who has written the name?
Ma'am, morning also someone has written MOLY.
It's okay. You have limited time. Please take care yourself now. I'm going to start the quiz now.
And ma'am, one has written Muli.
Children, please pay attention on units. When it is area, square meter, square centimeter, square will be used.
Ma'am, background was amazing.
Priya, you see the code number and enter. Within 1 or 2 minutes, I'll stop. Link is there in the chat box, Riva. And please check the code. You can use this code and enter. After 1-2 minutes, I'll stop this now. Please do it fast. Good. At 10:54, I will stop this now. Children, next time I request you, whenever we play quiz, use your name, original name, your real name. It's 10:54. I'm going to stop it now.
Ma'am, wait a second, please.
You need to be quick in calculations, please. Priya, fast calculation. Okay, time up. Very good, Ayansh, Prisha, Anya, Mithil. Excellent to the students. And these are the students who have done these questions wrong. This is the scoreboard. So thank you, children. And please be quick in the calculation. We will come up with more quizzes with different topics. So please be prepared. Do your calculations fast. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.